Hi, in this video I will show how make a lot of blank text files quickly in a couple of clicks. To make a lot of empty text files, you will need this code. This script I will attach under this video. It needs to be copied. Further, you create anywhere a text file. You open it. Insert here this code. And then go to the folder in which you want to create your text files. For example, here we want to create text files. Click here and copy the way. Further, in this text file, we are here to substitute the path where we will save empty text files. That's that amount of how much empty text files you need. That's names of the blank text files. Then close. And then here in this text file, we need to change the extension from .text to .bat. And then save and run this text file. And we have in chosen folder empty text files. That's all. If the video was useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave any comment under this video.